Hello, for Filmora, today I have brought some subscribe animation template for you, which you can edit and use in your video. And you will find the download link of the template and assets in the description. So I will show you this template by importing it in Filmora. You just have to edit this template once, then you can use it multiple times. So first of all we add the name of our channel. Now if you change the logo, then for that come here on the logo, right click, select relink media, then add your logo. After adding the logo, it can read the need of a little adjustment. And now the last step, adding your video. Then the video has to be adjusted well. And it is your turn to export. You can also export it in green screen. I would recommend that you export it in transparent format. So let me show you. Then by clicking on export, clicking on the option with 𝗘𝗺, coming to the settings, selecting the option with 𝗘𝗺, then have to export. Now let's use that transparent video. So I add a sample video. Now transparent video. Then you can easily use it by applying some animation in it.